Today, let me show you the way that you use the YouTube Music Radio. YouTube Music Radio can be a great feature to have in order to discover or enjoy a continuous stream of music. The way that you start a radio inside of a YouTube Music is you just open up a song, a playlist, or either an album, and you'll see the option of radio. For example, if I head over to a playlist that I've already created and right click on a particular song, right here you see the option called Start Radio. If I click on this option, this will immediately create a new and endless playlist of songs that are similar to the sound, genre, or the mood of the original song, meaning this exact song that I click on the Start Radio option. Now, as I said, there are other ways of creating the radio as well. If you head over to the home page and then just click on a song as well, so you'll see the option called Start Radio. As I said, this process will provide an endless stream of music that may be of similar genres or similar tone of the music that you selected. Once the YouTube radio now starts playing, you can fine tune it, meaning what you can do is click on the dislike button of a particular song that you don't like. So just click on the dismiss queue option and YouTube will start to show less of those songs inside of the radio that you started. So using these few methods, you'll be able to use the YouTube Music Radio feature. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.